Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rafael El Makabudbud, and I'm gonna share my prose poetry entitled Two Worlds at the Same Street. Okay. The city wakes in two different worlds. One lives in comfort behind tall buildings and glass windows. The other survives in silence, where hunger is more familiar than peace. At every street corner, the rich and the poor briefly meet, yet their lives remain far apart. A mother counts coins for food, while restaurants throw away meals untouched. A child looks through store windows and wonders if dignity only belongs to the wealthy. Poverty does not only empty pockets, it slowly steals confidence and human dignity. Yet despite inequality, the poor continue to work, love, and dream. And even in hardship, they hold on to hope, like the very last thing poverty cannot take away. Thank you.